A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Jorge Jojo Morales, a white Hispanic male, 6 years old, 3 feet tall, 50 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 23,700 block of Southwest 184th Avenue in Miami, Florida, who was last seen wearing a gray shirt, gray shorts, and black shoes. The child may be in the company of Jorge Morales, a white Hispanic male, 6 feet tall, 185 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. Based on additional information provided by the Miami-Dade Police Department, the missing child alert that was issued on August 31, 2022 for the child has been upgraded to an Amber Alert. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Miami-Dade Police Department at 305-471-8477 or 911. #Flomber. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Miami-Dade Police Department at 305-471-8477 or 911.